Hi there, welcome back to our Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leads that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Oncord, which is basically an all-in-one website platform that you can use to uh, do a lot of the actions that you would do in your online business, like building a website or um, creating email marketing campaigns or things like this. So it's a very useful website if you want everything in one compact solution. So first of all, we can see the headline is quite clear, and the subheadline also goes in depth about what they do specifically. If we scroll down, they explain it clearly that basically allow you to build a website, deal with customers, and in terms of growing a database, allow you to do email marketing and also sell products, okay, and memberships, which is very helpful. Here they go more in depth about all of these um, actual solutions that they offer to you, like email campaigns, and allows you to basically synchronize your data as well with all these different platforms like Zero and Intuit QuickBooks for, I guess, taxes and things like this. Good things that they've got a lot of five-star reviews from people that have already used the software, which is really good. And I think this person said that has used it for more than 10 years. I'll have to see again, but yeah, these are very strong in terms of the actual credibility of the platform, right? And I'm sure a prospector watching this will be impressed, and they might be more likely to consider working with this company. And if we scroll down, we can see that we've got more information about how you can start a free trial. You can migrate a website if you want to change it to the ones that they would be making, and they can help you as well in other ways. And this then is the end of the homepage. One thing I would say, I think it might be helpful if they added the frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page, just to remove any concerns that a prospect might have in their minds before making a purchasing decision. Also, at the top of the page, they might have added some kind of contact form, to collect the emails of the prospect, and they could have done that simply by offering a lead magnet or a discount or a freebie or anything to incentivize a prospect to actually provide some contact details. Also, um, if we if we go on the pricing page, we can see that the pricing is quite clear. It clearly states everything that you can get if you pay an extra £29 per month. Okay. And this is very helpful because it allows the any prospect to actually check um, which tiers might be best off for them, might be better for them based on the features that are included in each of them. Okay, so this is really good. And also, it says that you can access subsites and email accounts and things like this. So this is really software, really helpful. Okay. Um, oh yeah, you see, they do have some frequently asked questions. I do tend to find that a lot of companies they a lot of frequently asked questions on the pricing page, but I feel like adding a couple of these more general questions on the homepage might help as well in terms of you know conversions. So this is the pricing page. Just to finish off, if we go and click on the CTA and see get started, okay, just gonna take us through the trial. So guys to actually create a free trial. So, and this is the website. Okay, so this is it. So this is very clear, and I like that it does it step by step, so that it doesn't overwhelm you with a long contact form, and it just does okay one step at a time, one field at a time, which is good. But yeah, so this is therefore the end of the actual teardown. I'd say, in terms of increasing conversions, things that we might do first is um, might be to use a heat map analysis by using things like click maps or scroll maps to check where most of the audience on your website is spending their attention. And if we see that they're spending too much attention on a CTA or an area that is not high converting, we might run some A/B tests to check whether that we can basically raise the conversions of your website and things like this to just see if we can increase the overall output that you are looking for. But other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder who wants to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.